Hi, come inside and fall in love with Rocky Road. Happens to be one of my favorite ice creams. This might happen to be one of your favorite properties. This entryway of the property is perfect. Look at this ceiling. Look at this chandelier right when you come in. It just sets the precedence. And I love how it's a semicircular staircase up to your 3 bedrooms. You have ample space. We're talking 4,100 plus square feet of huge, entertaining living space. We're in the living room, big vaulted ceilings, 20-foot plus ceilings, wrap-around windows. You've got a fireplace. This is one of 3 fireplaces. I love this living room because it is the gateway to the rest of the home, but this is where the party starts. Whether you're having a big event, whether you're doing an intimate gathering, everyone will congregate here first. If you have a young family, this is perfect for you. If you want to start a family, this is great for you as well. I like how the dining room opens up to the living room. Now, if you don't like the traditional dining room space, what a lot of buyers and homeowners are doing right now is they're converting this into one grand living area where you can take advantage of all of the space. You can do that too. Let's go into the kitchen. We're here, guys, the heart of the home, the kitchen. By heart, I do mean stomach, because this is where it all goes down. Do you want built-in appliances, cabinet space? You have it here. You've got 2 beverage centers. You could fill the top one up with wine. You could fill the bottom one up with champagne and sparkling wines. You have your refrigerator, very large, plenty of room inside to put all of your products you need. Double ovens for those master chefs. Do some serious cooking with these bad boys. Your built-in microwave, dishwasher, and your built-in stove. Lots of cabinetry and plenty of ample lighting. What I enjoy about this kitchen space here is it overlooks your family room and, of course, your breakfast nook. I personally believe one of the most overlooked parts of a home is your nook area. It can be called a breakfast nook, an eating area, but it's so critical because this is where you're going to start your day in most cases. And you're going to end it here as well, too. You're gonna have your coffee, you're gonna be reading your paper, the kids will be here starting their breakfast, getting ready for school. You're gonna be talking about all the fun things that you're gonna be doing, setting the right expectation. And then, of course, ending the day with how was it? Going over the good and the bads and what you learned from. That all goes down here in this eating area. And I love that you have a big space to do it. Then it opens up into your family room. Your family room is huge. You can call it a great room. It's got a fireplace. You're flanked by more windows. Do you notice that consistency? All of the windows here in this property, you get that natural sunshine. It just pours inside and it gives this really clean and open vibe in here. And I love it. It's got a nice little corner seating area with a bench, which is great. Overlooks your backyard. You can see that sparkling pool out there. Or when you have events in here, it keeps plenty of room for seating. You have this office/nook area that can be used as an office, as my clients are using it, but then they're also homeschooling the kids here as well, which is key. You can turn it into whatever fits your lifestyle, and that's what I love. Now, I want to show you the 3 bedrooms upstairs, but before we do that, I want you to take a look at the downstairs basement. This is acting as the 4th bedroom, but it is more than that. We're downstairs in the finished basement, also acting as the 4th bedroom, but it's really a treat because it's so multifunctional. It comes fully equipped. You've got your own bathroom, stand-up shower stall. You've got an access point here outside, so you can really use it as an independent space. You've got a wet bar area here, so many options. Look at all of this room. You could do so much down here. It's not only just your bedroom, but you can have it as an acting living area. Think about those college kids. You want to start them off with their own independence. You could do that here. You got your closet space here, plenty of room. Here's what I enjoy about this basement area. You can use it so many different ways. It's currently being used as the 4th bedroom. But the truth is, you can use this as your in-law suite. You can use it as income producing because you're right down the street from the colleges. So a lot of folks out here, what they do is they use their fourth and fifth bedrooms as additional rental income, but you have a nice access point in and out, so you can actually block this whole side of the property off and turn it into a little multifunctional rental income. It's really nice to have, and just that flexibility alone is super key. Now let's see the rest of the bedrooms upstairs. Nothing says master bedroom like double doors coming in, right? Look at this space. It's nice, big, you've got recessed lighting, your ceiling fan. I wanna point out my favorite part of this master. You have your own private balcony. Imagine having this out here, hanging out at night, or maybe in the morning when you start your day, you have your Peloton bike out here, you do your exercise, get ready for the day. It's got so much for you to have fun with. You have so many options with this master bedroom space. You can keep the desk area space. You can turn it into another seating area, maybe even a little zen spot. You have the capability to do it. And then of course, follow it up with an amazing master bathroom. Everything you expect for a 4,100 square foot property. Dual master vanities. You've got a dressing area space. And then of course, you've got this stand-up walk-in shower. Take a look at the size of this thing. I mean, it is huge. You could fit at least a good 2-3 people in here. Get all the kiddos in here, shower them up, and then put them on out, or you yourself enjoy it because you have the room. Let's not forget about the tub, okay? Every master bath is not complete without its own jacuzzi tub or just a soaking tub, which this is definitely a soaking tub. Wow. Now keep in mind, let's perspective. I'm 6'4", about 290 pounds. I've dropped a few. This spot is plentiful. You can put your champagne bottle, your candles, your strawberries, and you could just hang out. Imagine ending the day in here, thinking about all the good you've done and the good you're gonna continue doing. I've made it, I love it. You can do that, and that's what you expect buying this home. Let's see the rest of the house. We're outside where all the fun happens. And you really get it with this property because you have so much to offer. You've got pavers, you've got a deck area, and then of course, let's not forget this beautiful zen area, just hanging out here, enjoying the water, the peacefulness out here. You've got a covered patio. Let's say you don't want to jump in the pool. You just want to sit back and enjoy the kids having fun. You can do that. And it's right next to your big barbecue bar area. You can put some stools up here, have the food cooking, good times. Look at that pool. So let's recap. 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, over 4,100 square feet of beautiful living space. You're on a 19,000 plus square foot lot on a private road. Your steps to the best schools. This is the Troy High District. You've got Cal State Fullerton right around the corner, as well as Fullerton College. And then of course, if that's not enough for you, you've got the Fullerton lifestyle that you get with this beautiful property. I would love to show you this home in person. You can call me or text me, 714-335-0844. Before you do, enjoy the lifestyle that we put together for you as well. Not only do you get this amazing property, but the lifestyle that comes with living here in Fullerton. We are in the heart and soul, otherwise known as DTF, downtown Fullerton. You have an array of boutique shops, restaurants, foodie spots. You've got amazing architecture back here as well with some of these buildings, really taking you back to a bygone era. Some of my favorite spots are the Cellar. You've got Pickled Monk, you've got Hopscotch, you've got the Slide Bar. There is so much nightlife here. It's crazy. And I think you would love being a part of this. You want more? Not a problem. You've got the train station right around the corner here in downtown Fullerton. That can take you up and down the coast and enjoy all of California. And let's not forget, you've got parks, you've got the best schools, you've got Cal State Fullerton, Fullerton College, and then you have the rest of what Orange County has to offer. Amazing beaches, amusement parks, sporting venues, it's all here for you. And I'd love to be a part of it with you. If you'd like to see this property and this town, call me or text me, 714-335-0844. Have a great day.